Bon tardi Turende. Goedemiddag allemaal. My name is Meritza Hakmat and welcome to the Big Live Nature Quiz. Yes, I know you guys have been waiting. You guys have everything set to start the Big Live Nature Quiz. This is the Big Live Nature Quiz Friends and Family Edition because, hey, this is the Mother's Day weekend, Mom's Day weekend. So we want to get all of the family in here so that they can test their knowledge with regards to nature and all of the 6 islands. Hey, saludo, shout out to everybody that is signing in and doing their thing for the Big Live Nature Quiz Friends and Family Edition from at home. I see you, all the people at home. Hi, hi, hi. Good to see you. And I have to give some special shout outs to the bars. Yes, we have some people gathered at the different bars in all of the 6 islands. And so we're coming live and direct from Bonaire. Nos vivo directo for the Bonaire. So I have to start at Bonaire. Hillside, Bonaire. Hello. Hi, hi, hi. Un saludo para nos na Hillside, Bonaire. Hi, everybody at Hillside. Now we go to Seba. Shebaba. Hi, everybody over there, up there. The unspoiled queen of Seba. Then we cross the way, we go to St. Eustatius, the Golden Rock. Everybody there at Ocean View Terrace. Hello, hello, hello. Good to see you all. And then we go over to St. Martin, Dingy Dock. I know you guys are on because you sent me a message and tell me that you're on. Dingy Dock is ready. Dingy Dock is fire. Okay? And now we go over to Curacao, Grand Cafe Mahay. Hi, Grand Cafe Mahay. Goedemiddag, good afternoon, Bontari Turende, Grand Cafe Mahay. And we go over to Aruba, Batata Beach Bar. Hey, hope you guys are coming in. We're coming in loud and clear to you guys, all right? So that is the shout outs. Now, we had a little session before, but I think it's very important that we repeat these instructions. Let's go to the instruction slide. Is slide the instruction, pagis repeat y refresh. Okay, repeat and refresh. The Zoom settings on your computer. Now this is for if you're participating from home. Okay, nakasbota. This is what you need to do. So you put your speaker view on. It's on the top right corner. If you want subtitles, we have papiamento subtitles and we have papiamento subtitles, okay? So then you need to click closed captions and select show subtitle, okay? Because we have our translators, papiamento y papiamento, ready. They're translating everything right now as I speak. As I speak, okay? And you have to put your camera on. So you have to click the navigation menu at the bottom of your screen. So this is when you're at home, okay? Si bota na kas, esa kita lo que botahasi. The people at the bar, they have to do something else, okay? They need to go to the gallery view so that they can see everybody, okay? This abukuta na kas, this is your thing that you need to do with Zoom. And everybody, please just make sure that your microphone is unmuted, okay? Mute pami. We're checking, but you know, if you come in, you unmuted yourself, don't do that. You know, don't do that. Just let's have a fun game, all right? All right, next up. Everybody should be in Menti by now. So we gave you the screen where you can scan to go to menti.com and you can go onto the website and put in the code that we have for you. Okay, so this is the code. This is the Menti right here. 44964541, that's the code, or you can scan, get into Menti right away, and you can log in, register your team, okay? Register your team under the group name, the team name, or if you're one person, register, give yourself a great name, and you put that I'm from the island of Bonaire, Seba, St. Martin Station, wherever, okay? And important, speed counts, okay? So snelheid telt, mensen. Dus hoe sneller, hoe beter. Because you get extra points if you know the answer. Okay? Rapidez ta conta. Alright? So it's not important to get the right answer, but it's important to be a little bit faster when you have the answer. Okay? So you get a little bit extra points. Alright. So, to make everybody feel tranquil, let's do a test question. Okay? Let's do a test question. Are you ready for a test question? I got you. Let's do a test question. And the test question is this one right here. Test question. What color is the sea? What is the color of the sea? Is it A, blue? Is it B, yellow? Is it C, purple? Or is it D, pink? Check your phone and answer in Menti. Go. And the time is up, and the answer is, the color of the sea is blue. The color of the sea is blue. So if you got that correct, then you're good to go for the Big Live Nature Quiz. Okay? But before we start, I need to give you the theme. E tema di awi. Okay? The theme is endangered species. So endangered plants and animals. Okay? Mata y animal kuta din peligar di existencia. Alright? Plants and animals in the danger of becoming extinct. All right, so that's the theme. And of course, nos que Yamadanki, we have to thank you, give a big thank you to all of the parks for the info provided in this quiz. So we need to thank all of the parks and all of the 6 islands with regards to the questions and answers for the Big Live Nature Quiz Friends and Family Edition. All right, we're ready. Are we ready? Yes. We gave you that first question, and now we're going to go into an official question, the official question with regards to the Big Live Nature Quiz. Remember, we have questions, we have videos, so that's why you need to be able to have your camera set up on your Zoom the way it's supposed to be set, okay? And this question comes directly from the Golden Rock of St. Eustatius, and it's a video.
Hello. My name is Axel Mitchell, and I am the Education and Outreach Officer at the St. Eustatius National Parks Foundation. Sea turtles are endangered or critically endangered. My question is, the largest sea turtle to visit the Dutch Caribbean is the...
All right. And in case you missed Axel's question, the question is, the largest sea turtle to visit the Dutch Caribbean is it A, hawksbill? Is it B, green turtle? Is it C, the loggerhead, or is it D, the leatherback? Check your Menti on your phones. Go! And the answer is D, the leatherback turtle. Yeah, they are large. They can go like up to 2.4 meters and can weigh up to 900 kilograms. So the answer is D. Let's go to question number 3. And question number 3, we have another video for you. Let's take a look at this video regarding sargassum.
Dit is sargassum, zeewier. Het komt voor in tropische en warmere zeeën en daar is het een broedkamer voor jonge visjes en schildpadden. Maar er is een sargassumprobleem. Er komt steeds meer en dat groeit uit tot gigantische drijvende plakken op de oceaan. Daarin raakt plastic en ander afval verstrikt. Dat spoelt vervolgens weer aan bij de kusten van tropische eilanden, zoals hier op Bonaire. En daar zitten ze er niet op te wachten.
Smell is incredible. Het ruikt gewoon letterlijk naar rotte vis, zeg maar, continu overal.
Yes, and the question number 3. The influx of massive amounts of sargassum is a threat because it can A, prevent sunlight from reaching seagrass and corals, causing them to die. Is it B, it entangles marine life, causing them to die? Is it C, decomposing sargassum can result in low oxygen and introduces toxic chemicals that threaten marine life and is a risk to human health? Or is it D, all of the above? And the answer is D, all of the above. Answers A, B, and C. All right, so sargassum is a threat a terrible threat for us in the Caribbean. Let's go to question number 4, folks. We're going to keep this moving. We're going to keep this moving. Now you got the gist of it. You know what's going on. Question number 4. Massive sargassum blooms can be deadly to sea turtles. This is because the turtles are A, unable to digest the sargassum in their stomach, B, getting stuck and are unable to breathe. Is it C, unable to go to the beach to rest, or is it D, they can no longer extract oxygen from the water in their lungs? Check Menti on your phone, go! And the answer is B. Getting stuck and unable to breathe. This can be deadly to turtles because they will be getting stuck and are unable to breathe. And we're going to keep it moving. We're going to keep it moving. Question number 5. We got a video for you coming out of one of our parks over on Aruba, One Happy Island. Take it away, Aruba.
Good morning, and Bodia from Aruba, the One Happy Island. My name is Shane Thielman. I'm a Marine Park Ranger at the Fundação Parque Nacional Aruba. I'm very excited to be with you guys today to be connecting with the 6 Dutch Caribbean islands. So my question to you is today about a very important species when it comes to the health of the reefs. This species will eat algae and dead coral, and at the end will poop out white sand. You know which species this is? Let me know.
All right, in case you missed Aruba's question, number 5, who eats the algae off the corals to keep them healthy and produces sand? Is it A, the long-spined sea urchin? Is it B, the parrotfish? Is it C, the surgeonfish? Or is it D, the goatfish? Get your answer. And the answer is B, the parrotfish, the papagaifish. Yes, the parrotfish, they are the ones that eat the algae off of the corals. All right, so after the first 5, let's give you a leaderboard. And in the leaderboard, you can see if your team is in the lead. So let's see who is in the lead after the first 5 questions. All right, let's see here. In our nature is in the lead, but Boneiro Turdia is the fastest, okay? But it's a very tight race, people. It's very tight. It's very tight. You guys are doing great, all right? You guys are doing great. So by now, you know how this Big Live Nature Quiz Friends and Family Edition works. So let's get it moving. Let's get it moving. Let's go to question number 6. And question number 6 is, which bird has the biggest brain relative to its body size? Is it A, the red-billed tropic bird? Is it B, the Antillean crested hummingbird? Is it C, the brown pelican? Or is it D, the brown booby? Get it, get it, get it good. Your answers. And the answer is ratata, B, the Antillean crested hummingbird. Yes, the Antillean crested hummingbird, the Antilliaanse kuifkolibrie. So it's got a big brain relative to its body. Yeah. Hummingbirds are also the only species that are able to fly backwards. So you try that on a sunny day. Okay, let's go to question number 7. And for question number 7, we go over to Dushi Karsau because they have an interesting video question for you.
Hi everyone, thanks for attending this quiz. My name is Lars Terhorst. I'm working with Sea Corps. We try to protect the coral reefs and restore them. And I will ask my question now. That question is, when bats disappear, cacti populations can also disappear. Why is this?
All right, in case you missed that question, folks, I got it for you. I got you covered. When bats disappear, the cacti population can also decline. What is the reason for this? Is it A, without bats, the fruits of cacti are not eaten? Is it B, without bats, there is no asexual reproduction? Is it C, without bats, the cactus flowers are less frequently pollinated? Or is it D, without bats, the fungi will not be eaten from the cacti? All right, go get your answer fast and quick, baby. And the answer is C. Without bats, the cactus flowers are less frequently pollinated. And it's interesting to know that over 300 types of fruits depend on the bats for pollination. All right? So hope you got it good. I hope you got it quick. So let's go to question number 8. And question number 8, we go up to the friendly island of St. Martin for their question. Take it away, St. Martin.
Hi everyone, greetings from the beautiful island of St. Martin. I'm Rosa Williams, and I'm the Education Project Coordinator from Nature Foundation St. Martin. Do you know what this is? This is not a regular flashlight. It shines a bluish purplish ultraviolet light, also known as black light. Black light can change what you see in a room. Some objects and colors stand out, while others remain dull. Scientists often use them for mineral and gemstone observations, or while searching for certain species. Which leads me to the following question. What kind of animal can people see using a black light? Good luck.
Yes, St. Martin, good luck. They're going to need it for this one. What kind of animal can people see using a black light? Is it A, the bearded anoles, B, scorpions, C, banana quits, or D, the whistling frogs? Go and get your answers, baby. Correct and quick. Did you get it? Did you get it? Let's see what the answer is. The answer is B, the scorpions. Yes, indeed, the scorpions. Scientists really don't know why or how come, but there are some theories. Maybe it can help them find each other, confuse their prey, to protect the scorpions from the sunlight. But with a black light, you can see the scorpion, okay? And we have question number 9. We're keeping it moving. We're keeping it moving. We've got to keep the momentum going, baby, because we got so many questions, interesting questions for you. Let's go to, let's come right here to Bonaire. Bonaire has a video question for you. Take it away, Bonaire.
Hi, my name is Jessica Johnson, and I'm with the Mangrove Maniacs here on Bonaire. Did you know that the queen conch spends most of its first year under the sands? The average age of a queen conch is about 7 years, but some have been reported to live as long as 30. Do you know how you can tell the age of a conch?
Okay, in case you missed it, how can you tell the age of a conch? A, you weigh the conch and every 100 grams equals 1 year. Is it B, the thicker the conch shell's flared lip, the older the conch? Is it C, you measure the conch length and each centimeter equals 1 year? Or is it D, the number of points on the conch shell tell you the age? Interesting. And the answer is, for the conch, it is B. The thicker the conch shell's flared lip, the older the conch. Okay? Madiki mamio. Yeah, dikita in, dikita in. The fatter, the thicker the flared lip, the better. Okay? Now, before we go to question number 10, I have a little bit of information for you, and this is regarding the iguana. You know, everybody has a great iguana story to tell, and I got one for you. Okay? Now, did you know that we have three different iguanas in the Dutch Caribbean? Yes, we do. There you go. We have the green iguana, we have the black iguana, and we have the lesser Antillean iguana. And within the Dutch Caribbean, the status of a single animal can be very different between the islands. An example is that the green iguana, which is native to Aruba, Bonaire, and Curacao, but not to Saba, St. Martin, and St. Eustatius. But both Saba and St. Eustatius have their own unique native iguana species. The lesser Antillean iguana on St. Eustatius, yeah, and the black iguana on Saba. The introduction of the non-native green iguanas can mean that these iguanas, they compete directly for food, but they can also spread diseases, okay? So green iguanas can also actually breed with the lesser Antillean iguana, which results in a hybrid animal. And talk about toxic love. If you think your love life was toxic, well, take a look at the iguanas, okay? So let's go now to question number 10, which most naturally is an iguana question. Let's go to the question. The green iguana is A, native to Aruba, Bonaire, and Curacao. B, a threat to the lesser Antillean iguana on Statia. C, a threat to the Saban black iguana on Saba. Or is it all of the above, A, B, and C? Go get your answer. And the answer is D. All of the answers are correct. Yes, remember my hint was toxic love, okay? So the answer with regards to the green iguana is D. All of the above. All right, so now for our next question, we head on up to the unspoiled queen of Saba. Let's get the video question out of Saba.
Well, hello there. My name is Marijn van der Laan and I work for the Saba Conservation Foundation at Marine Park Officer. Today I have a question for you guys about marine mammals. So humpback whales visit the Caribbean between January and April, but for what reason?
All right, in case you missed Marijn's question, the humpback whales visit the Caribbean between January and April for the reason of A, feeding, B, calving and breeding, C, to escape the colder waters, or D, family aggregation. So what is the answer? The answer is B, calving and breathing. Yes, 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 yes. Humpback whales, they can migrate up to like 16,000 kilometers each year. So talk about love, baby. Talk about love. All right. So that was question 11. Let's take a look now at the leaderboard. Let's see how everybody is doing so far. I know you guys are fast and I know you guys are getting these answers correct. So let's take a look at the leaderboard to say who is where. Okay, Very Bright is number 1 and they're also the fastest. But on their heels by 2 points is Not Even Once. And from Saba, and oh my God, Saba, oh, you guys, you tearing it up there. You tearing it up, Saba. Team 3, in the 3rd place, Team Rocket. Hailing out of Saba, but don't worry. Everything can change in an instant. So Very Bright, you know, you guys are quick and you guys are getting the correct answers. But we still have some time. We still have some time, people. So let's keep this Big Life Nature Quiz, Family and Friends, Friends and Family Edition, Mother's Day weekend. Let's keep it moving right along. Let's go now to question number 12, baby. How does cigarette litter impact the ocean? Is it A, with rain, they often find their way to beaches and oceans and become a choking hazard to marine life? Is it B, leave toxic chemicals into the water, they leak toxic chemicals into the water and pose a risk for many forms of marine life? C, cigarette filters are made up of a plastic and it can take up to 10 years to completely degrade? Or is it A, B, and C, all of the above? Is that D? Okay, so go get your answers. Get it quick, get it correct. And the answer is D. Yeah, the answer is D, all of the above. Did you know that cigarette butts are the most commonly littered item? So cigarette butts are like 20% of all litter. True facts, people, true facts. Let's move on now to question number 13. Question number 13 coming at you. We have a video. We're going back up to the friendly island of St. Martin, Sunshine City, St. Martin, for this video question.
Hi everyone, my name is Zakia Peterson and I'm the project assistant for the project Innoplastic for Nature Foundation. Did you know that octopus have 3 hearts that pump blue copper-based blood? So here's the question. What is the average lifespan of an octopus?
All right, in case you missed St. Martin's question, what is the average lifespan of an octopus? Is it A, 1 to 3 years? Is it B, 5 to 9 years? Is it C, 6 to 10 years? Or is it D, 9 to 12 years? And the answer is A, 1 to 3 years. So that's the average lifespan of the octopus. Hey, did you know that octopus, they have blue blood? So imagine that. Blue blood. To survive the ocean, octopus, they evolved a copper rather than an iron-based blood, which turns its blood blue. All right. So let's move along now to our other question, question number 14. Now, this is regard the LoRa, and when we're talking about the LoRa, people, we're talking about the LoRa that are in the wild, okay? So the Amazon parrots that are in the wild, okay? So the yellow-shouldered Amazon parrot, querido LoRa, can only be found in the wild on A, all 6 Dutch Caribbean islands, B, Aruba, Bonaire, Curacao, C, Bonaire, Curacao, and the coast of Venezuela, or is it D, all around the Caribbean? And the answer is C. The LoRa, the Amazon parrots, can be found on Bonaire, Curacao, and the coast of Venezuela. So you know these LoRas, our LoRas, very rare and very special. Unfortunately, the LoRa got locally extinct on Aruba, and they're protected, so you're not allowed to go into the Mondi, go into the bush to catch them, to take their eggs, to kill or sell them or put them into captivity, okay? So the sweet LoRa, we need to let it roam in the wild, all right? So let's go now to our next question, question number 15, Jacinco. Jacinco, from how high up can brown pelicans see fish before they plunge dive, okay? From how high up can they do this? A, from 6 to 9 meters. Is B, from 11 to 15 meters. C, from 18 to 21 meters. Or D, from 26 to 29 meters. Get it good, get it quick, baby. And the answer is C, from 18 to 21 meters. Oh my goodness, that's Olympic records, I'm telling you, baby. That's Olympic, yeah. And sometimes they do it in twos, no? So nantas ye dos, and then they get a better chance of catching the fish. Let's move on now to question number 16. We got to keep it moving, folks. We got to keep it moving. Corals are living animals that form a symbiotic relationship, with tiny organisms that live inside of the coral polyps. What are these organisms called? Okay? Is it A, dinoflagellate? Is it B, zooxanthellae? Is it C, diatoms? Or is it D, coralline algae? Get your answer, baby. Get it good, I know. Symbiotic relationships. Look at your phone, go to Menti, get it good, get it quick. The answer is B, the zooxanthellae. Now, these are very interesting corals, you know. They are with a protected home. In return, they produce food for all of the corals, yes. And by providing essential food, they're also responsible for the unique colors that corals get. You know, corals are so beautiful, and they are responsible for that, okay? So now, that was the question. Let's go on to our leaderboard, baby. And let's see. Oh, Stacia, y'all take the lead, man. No, Seba. Oh my goodness, not even one. Seba's in the lead. Very bright. He lost it. And Bujanta on. Corsao to number 3. But the fastest is Team Rocket out of Seba. Okay, so I'm telling you, this Menti thing with getting the speed in, you can be at the bottom of the leaderboard, but you can still be the fastest. Okay, so the idea is to be the fastest and be the correctest. All right, lagano sigi. Let's get on to the next question, folks.
Hello everyone, my name is Roger. I'm a park ranger at Fundación Parque Nacional Aruba. Today I am speaking to you from our very own center of cultivation, where we are hard at work to increase Aruba's flora biodiversity. In Aruba, there are only 5 of these trees left in the wild. Many in the Caribbean know this tree as the tourist tree, because the tree's bark is red and flaky. It looks like a sunburned skin, hence the name the tourist tree. Now, my question is, which tree in the Caribbean has a flaky red bark and is often called the tourist tree?
Aha, thank you, Aruba, for that video question. Which tree has a flaky red bark and is often called the tourist tree? Is it A, the tree of life? Is it B, the red mangrove? Is it C, the gumbo limbo or the gum tree, sorry? Or is it D, the buttonwood? Okay, what's the answer? Get it quick, get it good. And the answer is ratata, C, the gumbo limbo or the gum tree. So that is the tree that has the flaky red bark, but is often called the tourist tree. And as our ranger said, it sort of resembles sunburned skin. All right, our next question is another video question. And for this, we head over to Dushi Corsao for this question.
My name is Kevin Filbert, and I am a Marine Park Ranger at the new East Point Park that opened at Kermani. The East Point Park is a marine park, and we help protect, conserve, and take care of the underwater ecosystem. And here's the question: why are mangroves so important for many species of coral fish?
That's a good question, Curacao. Why are the mangroves very important for many species of coral fish? It is because coral fish, A, eat the pods or the seeds of the mangrove. Is it B, they go to the mangroves to die there? Is it C, they reproduce between the roots of the mangroves, which also protect their juveniles from bigger predators? Or is it D, they need warmer waters of the mangrove areas? What is the answer? Time is ticking, baby. And the answer is, contestata C, because they reproduce between the roots of the mangrove, which also protects their juveniles from the bigger predators. And of course, it's not just fish. Mangroves, they provide very important habitat for crustaceans, turtles, sharks, and birds. So we have to love our mangroves also. All right, we're gonna keep it moving, folks. We're gonna keep it moving. Time is ticking away. Let's go to question number 19. 19. The iguana is I've told you a lot about the iguana, so you should know this, folks. Is it A, a herbivore? It is B, a carnivore? Is it C, an omnivore? Or is it D, an insectivore? And the answer is, you got this, people, you got this. A, a herbivore. So that means it only eats plants, okay? So when you see your lovely iguana, don't be scared. Just let it mosey on, do its thing, and let it live its life in our beautiful nature on all of the islands. All right, let's move on to question number 20, folks. We got to keep this moving. Question 20, number 20, number 20. What is one reason for many insect species being in danger of extinction? Right? Is it A, the frequent use of pesticides or poisons? B, there are more and more insectivores, for example, geckos. C, there are more and more plants that are poisonous to insects. Or is it D, insects are dying due to the rise in temperatures, so global warming? What is warming? What is the answer? Get it good, get it quick, get it good, get it quick. And the answer is A, the frequent use of pesticides and poisons. Now, folks, we all know pesticides they're dangerous by design. So the more we learn about them, the more we realize that they can do more harm than just the insects, okay? They do more harm than the insects, so be kind. And, you know, there are also so many other different ways that you can get rid of the pest, okay? So let's go now to our leaderboard. Oh my goodness, this is a nail-biting race. Everything is so close. Saba's in the lead, not even one. Saba, part 2, Team Rocket on Saba. And in the third place, we got Bacon and Beans. But hey, Boneiro Turdia is the fastest, okay? Boneiro Turdia is the fastest, so that you can see who is in the top 10 right here, okay? So make sure you get onto the leaderboard, folks, because we have a few more questions coming up at you, so you have your time to make up, okay? So get it correct and get it fast. But of course, the prizes are going to be wonderful either way. And we're learning so much this afternoon, okay? So let's go on to our next question. We got question number 21, if I'm not mistaken. 21. Ooh, Tribong. What shark species is nicknamed the laziest of the sharks? Okay, is it A, the nurse shark? Is it B, the tiger shark? Is it C, the whale shark? Is it D, the basking shark? What is the answer? Time starts. And the answer is A, the nurse shark. Yeah, the laziest of the sharks. Now, don't beat up the nurse shark, because if I were a shark, I would be a nurse shark, because they love to sleep around the rocks and the reefs, and nurse sharks are nocturnal, okay? So they tend to be very active at night. Omesa, a mí te gusta mover noche, des llamami nurse shark numa, Sister Meritza, okay? So the nurse sharks, they move at night, folks, you know, so that's why they call them the laziest of the sharks. Let's go on, right on to number 22. What is affecting the health of our corals? Is it A, sunscreen and oxybenzone, with oxybenzone? Is it B, global warming? Is it C, coral disease? Or is it all of the above? D, A, B, or C? A, B, and C, okay? Get your answer. And the answer is D, all of the above. So there's so many things that is affecting the health of our corals. So you can help. So follow the local rules and regulations. People, don't leave trash, don't litter, and, you know, just take care of your environment, okay? Let's go on now to question number 23, which I have to warn you folks is the one before the last because our timer is coming up to end the quiz and get our winner. So answer question number 23. In which mangroves do fish like to hang out? Is it A, the red mangrove? Is it B, the black mangrove? Is it C, the white mangrove? Or is it D, the buttonwood? And the answer is A, the red mangrove, folks, the red mangrove. And let's go on now to our last question, folks. You can do this. You've been made it this far, so you can do this, all right? Let's get our last question. 24. What do staghorn coral colonies look like? Is it A, deer antlers, B, fans, C, rocks, or D, a maze? Get it quick. This is the last one, folks. You got it. You got this. And this is the final answer, the last question for the Big Live Nature Quiz Friends and Family Edition. The answer is A, they look like deer antlers. They look like deer antlers. And folks, that was our last question for the quiz. We're calculating, Menti's calculating right now. But before we announce the winner, I gotta thank the people. I gotta thank some people. So let's give our thank yous. Laganos yamadanki na diferente persona ku nos si Isaki possible. And of course, we would like to thank all of the parks. Thank you very much, danki. Of course, Dcna, we love you. Dutch Caribbean Nature Alliance. We would like to thank Dutch Caribbean TV Best. We would like to thank the Ministry of Agriculture, Nature and Food Quality. And natuurlijk de Nationale Postcode, de Loterij. We would like to thank all of the other sponsors that are providing some great prizes. And hey, you know, I got a shout out to the bars. I got a shout out to Bonaire Hillside, Seba Shea Baba, Stacia Ocean View Terrace, Sematen the Dingy Dock on Fire, Curacao Grand Cafe Mahai, and of course, Ribaruba Batata Beach Bar. All right, now this was an interesting quiz. I had so much fun with you guys before the quiz with the instructions. And of course, during the quiz, I know you guys were a little nervous. You want to get it good. You want to get it quick. You want to find out if you know enough to help conserve our nature. Well, let us see. Let us see who is the winner. Who is the winner? Let us see. Who's the winner? And of course, which island is the winner? And the winner is not even one Seba with 23,241 points. Seba, let me know. Were you at home or were you at the bar? So let me know where you are. Not even one Seba. Oh, you guys were fast and you guys were good. Seba. Yes, not even one Seba. Hey, I see you. Seba. Can I hear not even one Seba? Because I can see them, but mi po escucha nantame un rato din ng alegría. Not even one Seba. Hey! Hey! You guys did it! Good job! Not even one say, but there are the winners. And of course, we would like to thank all of the participants, people that were participating from home, not only at the bars, but also from home. You did a great job. You formed your team in this big live nature quiz, friends and family. And you know, the friends that were with you, you know, they formed your team with you. And we're so glad that you joined us, all of the 6 islands. This was a major undertaking. Of course, we would like to thank the team of Dutch Caribbean TV and of course the team of Dutch Caribbean Nature Alliance and for having me to host this for you. And of course, thank you to everyone that participated. Again, we have you registered. We know where you are. So stand by, because the Dutch Caribbean Nature Alliance, they're going to be contacting you. They're going to be contacting you with your prizes. We have some great prizes for you. And remember, before I go, be kind to our nature because it's the only one that we have. My name is Meritza Hakmat. My name is Meritza Hakmat. Peace out. Ciao, ciao.